welcome all of you. In this video, we are going to learn the part-time job for all the students. Here, the stream doesn't matter, maybe biology, maybe chemistry, maybe engineering or doctor. Anyone can earn money simply by answering the questions. There is no time restriction. You can solve in a day at any time when you are free. You can do several hours or you can only solve single question. It totally depends upon you. Simply you have to search in Google Chegg India. The first one that appears, you have to click on that cheggindia.com. In this you have to simply follow the process step by step. Here where it is written hiring the subject expert. So this Chegg India is nothing but SME, subject matter expert job, that too part time. Okay, so what you have to do is subject matter expert solves the questions of his or her subject specialization. Let's say if a person has done his masters in biology, he is a person of biology and he is expert in biology subject, so he will be solving the subject's question related to that. Similarly, other subject students can also solve their specialization. So you have to click on apply now. By clicking apply now, here comes the sign up option. Simply you have to enter the email. You have to click I accept receiving SMS if you want. Okay, and it is good that you will be informed via email that what are the necessary things to be done, and start sign up. After sign up option, you have to create the password. Step by step all things will be appearing on your screen. Do follow that. After entering the password, you have to accept one option, that terms and condition you are accepting. Also read in detail the terms and condition. See below, if you go, you can see why become a Chegg expert, hassle free. That means there is no compulsion of time that you have to solve at 9 a.m. only, at 10 p.m. only. You can solve by your time. Payouts very nice. If you solve in a month 10th question, so the payment will be according to that. If you solve 100 questions, payment, so it totally depends on how much work you are doing. And per question it range around 70, 75 or 80 rupees per question. Knowledge, here you also enhance your knowledge. You get to know new things, how to apply that things in your answers. That too is learned. Meetups, there are some meetings type, they guide you regularly. So this is very easy. Here see, if you have any problem, there are 4 easy steps: sign up, online screening, verification and start answering. So yes, these are 4 steps. As I have already told you, sign up, email, password you have to enter. After that you have to clear one very easy test of 10 questions, near about 10 questions. Okay, that will be given to you. Test will be provided, 4 options for each questions, and you have to answer that. If you pass in that test, you will be eligible as a subject matter expert in Chegg India. After that, a team will verify your all the documents like Aadhaar card or your bank details. Since you will be getting money, so the bank account, IFSC code, everything should be properly entered. Next, fourth step will be start answering. After your account is verified, if you pass this test, then you can start answering as many questions as you want, and you can earn lots of money just by sitting at your home. Okay, so this is all about Chegg India, a very nice opportunity. See available subjects, you can check here which subject you want to attempt. If you're good at biology and doing masters in chemistry, also check that. So this way you can begin. Also, the second important information about this Check India is, if you go downside, okay, here you can see government exam option. Click on that government exams. You will get list of all the exams. In these exams you can see banking, defense, PSUs, public sector undertakings. Okay, it is very nice. Central government is providing the all facilities. So that teaching exams, railway exams, simply click on anyone. Let's see about banking. Okay, if anyone does not have knowledge about water banking exam, all information is provided here. Which exam do you want to know about? Let's say Canara Bank PO, probationer officer. Okay, see, here you can see the syllabus, you can see the dates. So this website is very important. See, continue reading important dates. When will the exam be taken place, or already it is taken? When will be the exam? All details you will get here. So this website allows you to earn money as well as to know about various career options. You can go on the career guidance too. Okay, career guidance. Now what to do? Career guidance, jobs by education, resume and interview tips, explore means check what tips are to be, see how to prepare for interview, click on that. Most recent articles, read those articles. How to introduce yourself, beginner's guide. When you enter a interview hall or the panel is sitting before you, how to introduce, this is given here. Okay, so it has lots of information. Take benefit of this website, write it down, and start earning by just solving questions. Thank you for watching the video. Do subscribe, like, and share to the students. Let them get benefit of this YouTube channel. Okay, thank you so much.